patient back from the money for room, sir.
Right.
So why do we make two tables, sir? Because like I'm a gynecologist, so after doing one cesarean operation, it takes 40 minutes to clean the patient and to clean the table and all.
Connect to these mothers and tell them that, look, come to the safe motherhood homes, and we will provide you financial incentives. So for those who don't know, we provide 500 rupees per day to the mother as well as to the attendant. We provide food, we provide good stay, clean stay, we provide vehicles so that they can go back free of charge, and that gives a comfort to the mother to stay in this safe motherhood homes, because then the medical officers can come and give them the necessary medical attention. And therefore these small interventions, as we moved along, we started doing. And that's when we realized and we started seeing the change that we're seeing today. And I think all of you know that Meghalaya has seen one of the fastest decrease in the maternal mortality. And we are almost as close to the national average, plus minus a few numbers. But we are also hovering around 110 right now. And I think that's a great achievement. It's happened because there has been a concerted effort. This has happened because we were actually able to crack down the problem into real issues, focus on what is actually the problem, and not looking at the result and saying that is a problem. Because a lot of people used to say, what is the problem, Meghalaya? Meghalaya's problem is it's got high maternal mortality. That's not our problem. That's the result of the problem. The problem is that we were not able to identify the high-risk mothers. We were not able to have the spacing. We were not able to provide them safe motherhood homes, so on and so forth. So my message to you, I'm sorry I'm taking a lot of time, but my message to you is that this is what we need to figure out. A very big decision, as you all know, that what we have taken recently in the cabinet, which all of you should know, is that we have started what we call the outcome-based budgeting. I know it's a very complicated word for all of you, but what it means is that we are now going to not give you money based on what we think is correct for you, or we're not going to give money based on a system of top-down approach. We are going to give money and incentives to different PHCs and CHCs based on what you need and based on how your performance is. So the better the CHC, PHC performs, the more funds we will be giving to you, and the funds will be left to your, liberty to use the way you think is best. And we realize that this is a reverse way of doing budgeting, but it's a very effective way because it allows us to cater to the local issues and problems. Sitting in Shillong in the Secretariat, we cannot understand what problems Sohra is facing. Sohra PHC, CHC has different programs and problems compared to a Tikrikila CHC is facing. So hence, same policies cannot apply to all. So Health Department will be the first department which is going to implement what we call the outcome-based budgeting. It's something very unique, and I'm sure it's going to have a huge impact. And these are the reforms that are taking place today in the health sector. And I hope that with these reforms, we'll see many more improvements coming in the days to come.